Hello friends, welcome back to our Magento tutorials. In the first topic, we'll discuss on how to create a CMS page, static block and widgets from admin. So go to the admin. Here you will see this content. Under the elements you will find pages, blogs, widgets. So today we will focus on these three and later we will cover the remaining part. So first, the basic thing is you have to create a new page. Okay, if you want to create a new CMS page, just click on add new page. Here you have to provide the title. Under the content, so whatever the content you added, it will apply, okay, in the body section. So I will discuss more in detail about this page builder, but just for now, click on this one. In the left side you will find this under the layout, row, column, tabs. So I have created a separate layout video earlier. Just please go through and just come here, you will understand what the layout is. So I'll discuss more in detail about these rows, columns, tabs. So for now, just skip all the things. So just focus on what are the required things needed for creating a CMS page. Just click on this row, drag and drop here. Just go to this element section. Under that you will find HTML code, drag and drop. Here you will find this HTML settings. Just click on it. You see here you will find the editor. So there is no need of code editors for writing HTML, CSS and JavaScript for the Magento. Magento will already providing with the help of this page builder. Okay, just add some content. Okay, if you want to apply the styles, you put some ID. Just provide ID. So I'm just changing the color to red. Okay, so if you want to add any JavaScript also, you can add it. So after 2 or 3 seconds, it will change the color to somewhat green. I provide 3 seconds. Get element by ID. I'm just taking this ID. So based on that ID, I will change the color to green. Okay, so what it will do, first it will apply color red to this content. After 3 seconds, using this JavaScript with the help of set timeout, we are changing the color of the content to green. Okay, just save this one, click again, save. So this page builder save and this one is different. Okay, now go to this search engine optimization. We didn't provide any URL key for this CMS page. Whatever the page title you entered here, replace space with the hyphens and provide the URL key. Just copy this one. This is my base URL, magento.com. So after that slash, you provide that URL. Okay, just enter. You see here I got the default layout like the categories, logo, header section, footer, everything except the content. This is what Magento will do automatically with the help of the layouts. So here you see I have changed the color to red. So when the page load, the color changed to red, but it's not applying the color to green with the help of the JS. So document dot get element by ID. It's my mistake. Save again. Refresh it. See here, after 3 seconds it's changing from color red to green. You see here the content which we added, it's not aligned to this page. Okay, so how you can fix that one? It's easy. So go to this CMS page, design. So instead of full page width, you just select the one column for this layout, save. Okay, now we will flush the cache. Just flush the cache. Now refresh the page. You see here the color change into green, as well as the alignment also got fixed. Okay, so this is how you can add content with the help of CMS page. So if you want to add any static block content here, you can add it. So what is the use of static block? So with the help of static block, what you can do is, with the help of static block, you can do whatever the content you are adding from CMS page. Along with that, for example, if you want to use the same content in other pages as well, you cannot use the CMS page content in other pages, but instead you can create some static block content and you can call that static block in other pages. So that is the main thing in static blocks. So it's just add some content in the static block and call wherever you want. You can call it in the categories, you can call in home page, you can call in some other CMS page or any new pages. Now we will create one CMS static block. Go to blocks. Here you will find this add new block. Click on this one. Just provide some block title like what we given for the page title for the CMS page. I'm just giving Webdev Chandra and Webdev. This is a required field, otherwise this block will not be saved. I'm just leaving as Webdev. Go to this row, drag and drop, go to element section, drag and drop this HTML code. So click on this HTML code settings. Here I just want to insert some image. Right now I have sample images. If you don't have, click on this upload image. Okay, it will come to our system. Just select select the uploaded sample image. So whenever you select this image, you will get the add selected option. Click on this add selected, so that will automatically insert this code. Okay, just click on the save the block. Okay, now my block is saved. So how you will connect this static block with the CMS page? Okay, now let's go back to the CMS page. So this one I have created. Click on the edit. Just go to this content settings. So I need that static block to be loaded after this content. Okay, just for that I have an option called insert widget. So this widget type will provide the CMS static block option. Just click on this one. I will discuss all the options in coming tutorials, but for now just stick to this CMS static block. So here you will get the options. Just select this static block. So which one we have created? Which we created? Webdev. This one only, right? Which we created. Okay, just click on this insert widget. So it will automatically add the static block with the help of this widget. The parameters for this widget is template block ID. So the template parameter has the value default.html, which Magento will automatically call whenever this widget is created. Okay, so I will discuss more in detail about the widgets, and for this block ID, the ID of that particular block. But just for now, click on save. Okay, the page is saved. Now I'll just refresh the page. So you see here the static block content added after this CMS page content. Okay, now just inspect on that image. So So here you will find widget block static block. That means you can easily identify that is a static block that is coming from the admin. Okay, this way you can identify from where it is coming. It is coming from the code or it is coming from the admin. Okay, I will give some more tips how you can find each element where it is coming, whether it is coming from code or whether it is coming from admin. Now we will focus on how to create a widget. Just go to this content, widgets, click on this add widget, just click on this type. So here you will find all the options which Magento already have created. I am selecting only the CMS static block. I'm just selecting Magento Loma, just continue. Here you can provide any widget title, def. Is right now I have only one, so by default I'm selecting this all store views. What this widget do, this will gather some information like from the static block and put it where you want. For example, you want the static block content to be appear in the footer section or before the footer or after the header section or inside the main content or the side navigations or side nav bars. So there it will help us to add in that particular area. For example, just click on this add. Here in the display on option, you have the categories, products and pages options. To add this CMS static content to all the pages, you can select this option. Or if you want to add to the specific page, you can select this. Like that, for example, I'm just adding that to specified page. So where this content to be applied, we have multiple options like page, container, template, right? So under this page, which page this content should be displayed. Earlier we have created some page, that is Webdev Chandra, this one, right? So this option is not available. So if your CMS page to be displayed here, you have to write some code. Then only you can add this widget and add the static content to that specific section. But for now, I am just adding that to CMS homepage. So the container, if you're not aware of this container, just go and check the layout tutorial which I already have created. So please go through that tutorial and come back here. Page section, we have selected the homepage, but where exactly we need to display that? In the main content, in the sidebar, or in the header section, or in the page footer, where exactly we need that? So after page header, for example, if you want to display the static content after the page header, you can select this option. Okay, now select the widget options. So widget option means we earlier the type we selected as a CMS static block. So here you need to select the static block, this one which we created earlier, Webdev Chandra. Just click on save and continue. So what this widget will do, it will take the CMS static block content and it will add to the CMS homepage. And where exactly it will add? It will add after the page header. Just click on save and continue. Okay, cache management, flush the cache. Where I have added the static content? In the home page after the page header, right? Just go to home page. You can click on this logo, it will redirect to the home page. You see here, this is the static block content called from the widget. You see here, widget static block content. Okay, so this way you can add to any specific sections with the help of these containers. Okay, so home page we have added. Next we will focus on other pages. For example, category pages. You take any category. So before page footer, so this will apply before this page footer. That means around here it will come, okay, in the category pages. So I will just save and continue. Just go to any category pages. You see here, before the page footer we can see that static block content. Okay, Like that, not only here, you can add to any other pages. If you want to add any custom pages, then you have to write some logic to appear to add to that specific page. Okay, this is how you can utilize a widget with a static content, and you can add that widget to any place. Okay. And one more thing I forgot to mention is sort order. So sort order will work. For example, I have only one widget here. Okay. So for example, I have two widgets. I'll tell you. So here itself, I will create one more widget. Add widget, static block content, static block Luma, continue. So Webdev2, for example. Okay. So sort order I am giving is 1. So the layout I am taking is the same category, specified pages, block categories, and before page footer. Okay, now save and continue. Okay, now you have to select the static block. Now I am selecting a different contact as info. Save and continue. Okay, now I have Webdev and Webdev2. So how this sort order will work? Earlier I have given 0, now I have given 1. So first 0 will load, and then the priority will be sort order 1. So earlier we have given 0 for this widget, and now we have given 1 for this widget. So how Magento will understand is, if you provide 0, that will get the highest priority, 1 will get the next priority, 2 will get the next priority after 1. This is how Magento sort these widgets. Okay, just click on the save and continue. Now just flush the cache. Okay, go to frontend, refresh the page. You see here, first the 0th position widget is loaded, after that our widget is loaded. Now for example, I will change this to 0. Okay, earlier widget is like I think it's 20. I will change this position to 1. Now I will flush the cache. I just replaced the sort order positions. Okay, now this content will be loaded first, and this image will be loaded after this content. Okay, just refresh the page. See here. So this is how Magento will sort the widgets. So in the next video, we will discuss on the custom theme implementation. Thanks for your time. Thank you.